Hey everybody, I'm so excited to do my first Instagram TV video because after all, pictures really, you can see a picture and I can tell you about it and write a little caption, but if you don't see this stuff live and in person, you're really not gonna get the full idea of how Beautycounter is so amazing. So the first thing is we gotta get out of the way. This lip gloss, Fig. This is the best lip gloss on the planet. It is not sticky and it's safe. And I think it's like 29 bucks. So it's super, super affordable. And every person with every skin tone can wear this, despite the fact that it looks like dark and scary and it's plum. So Fig, this is what you want. All right, first things first, we're gonna do a little unboxing. Beautycounter delivers these to consultants like once a week if you have enough socials going on. My favorite part is getting these in the mail and opening them up. And the first thing is gonna be this box of host rewards or hostess rewards. What happens is you have a social or a party at your house and you get rewards for having some friends over, having some wine, your kids can even be running around. You get to try Beautycounter makeup and skincare and you get rewards as your friends and family are making purchases. It's the coolest thing ever. So I wanted to show you one box of rewards that I got. When you open the box, it says beauty should be good for you because duh, it should be. So let's check out what I got. I think I had like 4 people over that day. Some people were getting Christmas gifts, holiday gifts. Some people were getting stuff for themselves just to clear up their skin for the new year. And it really wasn't anything crazy. It was like 2 hours. So this is the rewards that I got for having a few friends over. I got 3 shades of our lip sheer. Whoops. And I got those at half off. So I got 3 items at half off, which these retail either $32 or $34. So I got those at 50% off, which is like amazing. And I'll open those for you in a second. Then I got 2 items for free. So not even half off. I almost said half off, but these were free because I can even hardly believe this. This is our charcoal mask that retails for $49. I got it for free. And you can too if you're a hostess. You don't have to be a consultant to do this. And this is our eye makeup remover. This stuff is amazing. I mean, this is a big bottle. Look at that. That bottle will last me about 3 months. So I got this for free. Any of you don't have to be a consultant, can host a party at your house, have your products out, have a consultant come and do a little showing. It takes, you could even do it in an hour. And you get the lipsticks and you can choose whatever you want from the host catalog. So that probably cost me, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 45, 50 bucks for all those products for free just for having some friends over. So we're gonna just open this guy real quick because this is the big box that everybody loves to get. These were some customer orders that came to my house. My customers got free shipping because I had everything shipped to my house and they got to pick it up after it arrives. They're gonna probably be picking it up tomorrow or I'll deliver it. But this is what it looks like. Our holiday boxes are amazing. This is just one little example. And one little fun thing you need to know is that until tomorrow night, we have 20% off select holiday sets. So you need to get on over there. The link is in my bio and you could choose stuff for 20% off. And that's like an amazing deal. We have hand cream citrus mimosa, another charcoal mask, another charcoal mask. Everybody loves a charcoal mask. What's this guy? Oh, the brightening. This stuff smells like heaven. It smells like a big box of tangerines, like for your face. It's the most amazing thing ever. So you do the mask, you follow with the oil, you go to sleep, you wake up and you're like glowing. So we got a couple other little sheer lipsticks. If you ever see this in your package, it's the best thing ever because you know it's eyeshadow and our eyeshadows are to die for. So yeah, you can see that we've got all these products and you could have this same experience that I'm having just for holding a party at your house, get some free stuff, get some safer products into the hands of your friends and family, and have the best time ever. So, happy holidays.